So today I'm reviewing this rhinestone hair clips or hair barrettes. This is what they look like. They're very shiny and they come in a pack of 6. They're 4 inches long. So this is how the clip comes out. So just press it out like that and it comes like this, and you can take your hair and just clip it right there. So easy to use. And it gives your hair an elegant look. This is great for a gift. It's great for kids. It's great for bridal. Oh my goodness, bridal hair. So I can just go like that and see another style. So easy, and it's very lightweight. That's another thing I like about it. It's lightweight, and you see how it just changes my hairstyle. Just get a hair band. And once you pack it in a low ponytail like that, it looks really boring. All you do now is you get your rhinestone hair clip and you can put it in different designs. So that gives it such an elegant look. And I absolutely love this. I love it, love it, love it.